You think this is just a simple PCB? No. This is highly complex 8.5 mm thin 24-layer PCB independent manufactured by us at Shenzhen Prin PCB, delivered on time with speed and precision. Now let's follow the camera and take a look at how to make. This complete 24-layer PCB will complete in just 15 days. Thanks to careful planning by test team, operating design by engineering team, and precise executions by production and quality team, delivering ahead of schedule.
Facing multiple challenges, our process engineers stayed hands-on throughout, with the quality team inspecting every step. From order to delivery, Shenzhen Prin PCB completed this mission impossible in just 15 days.
This case showcases the Prin PCB advanced capability in high-end PCB manufacturing, and set a benchmark for fast response and close collaboration in the industry. Now, let's take a look at the final product.